call back on stage Mang Modesto for the judges' decision. Mang Modesto, take off. Judges, isa lang sa kanila ang maaaring magpatuloy sa kompetisyon. At yung isa, kailangan ng magpaalam ngayong gabi. Kapag po umabot sa deadlock or tie, mga kapamilya, babalikan natin ang results at kung sino ang may lowest votes, siya ang uuwi. Ready na ba? Ang PAGCOR? Ready na ba kayo? Mga kapamilya, for the judges, pag-isipan yung mabuti ang magiging desisyon ninyo. Sino ba talaga ang deserving at karapat-dapat na manatili dito sa kompetisyon? At kaninong X-Factor journey naman ang kinakailangan ng magwakas? Ang pangalan na babanggitin ninyo ay ang pangalan na pauuwiin nyo na. Good luck. Let's start with Gary V.
A lot of things, ang daming nasa isip ko ngayon, Casey. Naniniwala ako dun sa contestant na mas marami ako, kung ako talaga ang tatanungin, mas marami akong magagawa dun sa contestant na to. So for tonight, the person I have chosen na umuwi is a person who can finally go back to his family. Modesto.
Mga kapamilya, that's one vote for Mang Modesto. Again, ang pangalan na babanggitin ng ating mga judges ay ang pangalan ng tao o contestant na pauuwiin na nila. Miss Pilita.
Mahirap talaga because pag nandito ka as a judge, you know, all these kids and everyone involved, parang nagiging pamilya na ba? Pero siyempre, mahirap man sa akin. But he made me so proud of himself. The way he has acted, the way he loves his family, the way he sang for all of us, and the fans he has made here. I have to say, Modesto has to go.
Galing po sa category ninyo, Miss Pilita, si Mang Modesto. That is 2 votes for Mang Modesto. Charisse, ang pangalan na babangkitin mo ay ang pangalan ng contestant na pauwiin mo na. Who will it be? Take off or Mang Modesto?
Kung sa akin lang, ito na naman, mahirap. Kasi, kumaga magkaiba sila. Si Mang Modesto, kumaga, ang team ni Mang Modesto, you're never too young to dream. Pero syempre, ang hinahanap natin, yung talagang may X-Factor na sa tingin natin na magtatagal at hahangaan ng mga tao. Ang pauwiin ko,
Charisse, take off or Mang Modesto? Charisse, we need your answer now.
I can't vote.
2 votes for Mang Modesto. Who will it be for Charisse? Mention the name of the contestant you will be sending home tonight, Charisse.
Mang Modesto, be with your family.
Congratulations! Take off! We will be seeing you again next week. Samahan niyo muna ang ating finalists backstage. Mang Modesto. Nako, napakaganda ng mga naging performances ninyo dito sa X Factor. Kamusta ang X Factor experience ninyo?
Well, it's fine. I enjoyed it. I would like to express my thanks to each and every one of you for coming here and watching this person from Cagayan de Oro. I would like to express also my thanks to those people who supported me, wherever you may be. Thank you very much. I thank God for everything. Thank you very much, X Factor. Mabuhay! Mabuhay! ABN, sabihin! Mabuhay!
We love you, Mang Modesto. Miss Pilita, ano pong gusto niyo sabihin kay Mang Modesto?
Gusto ko lang sabihin, Casey, na talagang, I never worked with anybody who is such hardworking, but at the same time, being here, talagang sinasabi niya, miss ko na yung anak ko, miss ko na ko yung pamilya ko. And Mang Modesto is now very popular everywhere. And he will be Mang Modesto to everybody. And everybody has loved Mang Modesto all this time.
That's right, Miss Pilita. From
Thank you.
CDO, security guard po ngayon. Kilala na kayo ng buong Pilipinas at mga Pilipino sa buong mundo. Congratulations for that.
I might run for senator next year. Thank you, guys. Thank
Mang
you.
Modesto, God bless you in all your plans. Para po sa inyo ito, panoorin po natin ito.
Lahat nabago sa akin dahil sa X Factor. Hindi lang outward, hindi inward. Yung mga kasama ko, we are just like brothers and sisters. But as long as we have life, you have life, there is still hope. Ma'am Pilita Corrales, I would like to express my sincere thanks. Napakabuti mo talaga.